Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video where we'll dive into how to sell hamster tokens on platforms like Binance, Bybit, and OKX. Before we kick things off, I want to hear from you. How many hamster tokens have you collected? Drop your number in the comments right now. Now let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome. We specialize in showing you free ways to make money from the comfort of your home without spending a dime. So, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And while you're at it, smash that like button. We're aiming for 1,000 likes on this video, so show some love. Let's start with Binance. First, switch to the Pro mode. To do this, head to the home page and click on the Binance icon in the top corner, left or right, depending on your language. Once you're in, scroll down a bit until you see Binance Pro and click it. The app will refresh. Now, even though the hamster token isn't listed yet, I'll show you how to do this with another token as an example. It's all the same process. Go to your wallet at the bottom and select Spot Trading. Find the hamster token and ensure it's paired with USDT. Once you've selected it, click on Sell. Here's where it gets crucial. You have two selling options: the limit order, where you set the price, or the market order for immediate selling. I recommend going for the market price if you want to sell right away. Just drag the slider all the way to the right and hit Sell. Congrats! You've converted your tokens into USD. If you want to cash out that USDT for real money, you sell them with P2P. Next up is OKX. When you log in, head to your wallet and click Transfer. Make sure you're moving from the funding wallet to the trading wallet. Select Hamster, hit Max, and then confirm the transfer. Once that's done, go to your trading wallet. Click on the token paired with USDT, ensuring it's set to spot. Click Sell. Choose to sell at market price, slide it to max, and hit Sell again. Simple, right? And again, you sell them with P2P. Finally, let's talk about Bybit. Click on your wallet, then Transfer, and make sure you're moving from the funding wallet to the trading wallet. Choose Hamster, hit Max, and confirm the transfer. Go to the trading wallet, find the token paired with USDT, and again make sure it's on Spot. Select the token, click Sell, choose Market Price, drag the slider, and confirm the sale. Just like that, you're done. If you're still here and haven't liked the video yet, now's your chance. It takes just a second, and it really helps out. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It will be very important during this period. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.